Hi, I'm A.F.C. Wales Captain. This is my FAWales diary. I've just arrived at our training camp, so we're going to go in and see the guys. And I haven't seen them for a while. Catch up, see what everyone's been up to, see how everyone is, and training tomorrow morning. So we'll start preparing for the Israel game. But first things first, go in, see the guys, and get a good night's sleep. Just got down to training first day, so we'll work on a few things today. Everyone's fit and ready. Camp's buzzing already. We had a good day yesterday, a good night. Seeing the guys that we hadn't seen for a while, and yeah, just looking to do some good work on the field this week and try and get the job done.
Fit Joe, good fit Joe. I knew you was going to do it, and I wasn't even looking. What? One on this line of balls here.
One more set.
Yep.
Yep, hand.
Okay, so there's a little set this time, and then it's round the corner, yeah? So we know what we